Das war laut. Jetzt bin ich taub.
Works for T-Mobile on his LinkedIn page. I have to sneeze. Excuse me.
Good thing.
On Twitter. See, I am so allergic to
truth, or do you want to eat something? It's up to you.
I gotta sneeze.
By the way, you have 10 seconds to answer, otherwise it's an automatic eat.
I really have to sneeze.
I have to sneeze.
No one wants to see that. I'm gonna sneeze. Thank you. Did you not say bless you?
Closely at that. Excuse me.
Oj, i tak. Хорошо. Это все плохо. Ой, живот проснулся.
Другими классами, что-то такое. Сейчас чихну.
Наташ,
Извините.
пожалуйста,
Ой, не хотела.
стороночку.
Some personal pictures in these pantyhose, so head over. Sorry about that.
Non. Non. Viens. J'aime pas. Quand j'essaie d'éternuer que ça vient pas. Le pollen. J'ai le nez rouge maintenant.
Sorry. I couldn't even warn you. I tried. I started watching it, but then I'm gonna sneeze. Oh god. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna take them off now.